Unlock a world of government benefits and essential services by mastering the online application for your income certificate today. First, gather your essential documents. Typically, you'll need proof of identity like an Aadhaar card or voter ID, proof of address such as a ration card or utility bill, and crucially, your income proof. This could be salary slips, bank statements, or a self-declaration affidavit confirming your income. Next, locate your state's official e-District portal or the relevant government revenue department website. A quick search for your state name income certificate online should lead you to the correct portal. Once on the portal, look for the Apply for Income Certificate or a similar option. You'll then be directed to an online application form. Carefully fill in all the required details, ensuring accuracy in your personal information, family details, and income particulars. Now, it's time to upload your scanned documents. Make sure each document is clear, legible, and in the accepted file format, usually PDF or JPG. Upload your ID proof, address proof, and income proof as specified on the portal. Most portals will have a nominal application fee. Proceed to the payment gateway and complete the transaction using your preferred method, whether it's a debit card, credit card, or net banking. Upon successful submission and payment, you will receive an acknowledgement or a reference number. Keep this safe, as you can use it to track the status of your application online. After verification, your income certificate will be generated. You can usually download it directly from the portal, or it may be delivered to your registered email address. This crucial document opens doors to numerous government schemes and subsidies.